you to Temu for sponsoring this video. Recently, Temu reached out to me and asked me if I would like to look at their website and see if I wanted to try any of their products. I'd never actually been on their website or the app, so I was excited to try this out. I went ahead and decided to do this collaboration so I could share with you guys some products that I think that you might love and let you know what I thought about the experience shopping there. So Temu is an online marketplace that offers the most competitively priced products in multiple categories. They have free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days, and they do offer a $5 credit for any kind of late delivery. They also have a price protection policy, so if you order something and the price drops within 30 days, you can request a partial refund. Don't forget to go down into the description box and you can search with my code to get a $100 coupon bundle for all users, or you can download the Temu app for a $100 coupon bundle as well. I definitely recommend checking this out. I want to show you guys some of the things that I picked up and how I used some of them in my home and what I plan to do with the rest of them. So let's jump into the video and check out these products. So this item that I picked up was a bundle of peonies. It was $7.48 for the bundle. They're absolutely stunning and gorgeous. I wanted to show you guys how they come packaged. So they're in this plastic package. You're just going to remove the plastic packaging. They are pretty fluffed out already. I mean, you obviously have to do a little fluffing here, but these are absolutely gorgeous flowers. I think that they would make a stunning bridal bouquet. I just put them in a vase that I already had, and I wanted to show you how stunning they are on their own, or if you were to make them into a bridal bouquet, I think they would be absolutely beautiful. They definitely give spring vibes and would make a beautiful addition to your home decor. The next thing I picked up were these fabric bundles, and I went ahead and picked up a black and white one and a shades of yellow one. You do get all the colors and patterns that you see right here. In the right hand corner, you can see there are many different colors and styles to choose from. I wanted to give you guys a quick flip through of the different types of fabric that are in here. They are a little on the thin side, but this works great for crafting, especially if you're going to make little bows. It's the perfect texture for tearing, so it'll give you that great shabby feel and farmhouse feel. I also picked up one of these little mini irons. Now, in a recent video, someone had said in the comments that I needed to iron my fabric, so I purposely picked this up to see if it would work. It was $5.48. It's a super cute little mini iron. It comes with a cord. We're just going to go ahead, undo the cord, and plug it in. It has a little attachment on the side that you plug it in. I have a tower here, so I'm just going to go ahead, plug it into my tower. Off camera, I waited for it to heat up, and as you can see here, I could not figure out how to turn it on, but there is a little button on the cord that allows you to turn it on, and a little light comes on. So after the 10 minutes, I went ahead and tried to iron this fabric. It worked really great for this purpose. It is not super hot, so if you wanted to use this with kids or give kids a chance to do something with this, this would be great, but it definitely suits the purpose that I was looking for. This was definitely one of my favorite things that I got from Temu this time. It was $6.98, and you do get 3 bundles. As you can see in the right hand corner, they have different colors that you can choose from. I got this yellow and green greenery bundle. I thought that it was very spring-like. Once I went ahead and got the package open, I just took all 3 of the bundles apart. You're just going to kind of fluff them up. Now there's a couple different things that you could do here. I decided to style them on my mantle, so I went ahead and just laid one down, and then the next one I just put the stem inside of the next one, and so on until it went down my fireplace mantle. You can't tell that they are 3 different separate pieces, and it fits pretty perfect on my mantle. Definitely one of my favorites of today, and I absolutely love how spring-like this turned out. So this next item is a mixed material bundle for scrapbooking. There are plastic pieces, there are paper pieces, there are stickers in here as well. There are so many pieces in this bundle. It was $3. I wanted to give you guys just sort of a quick unboxing of some of the items that you can find in here. Now, I thought that these would be really great for crafting as well. So you could use these in a bullet journal, you could use them in a junk journal, you could also use them as embellishments embellishments for crafts. Some of these are really cute tags. You could also make bookmarks and cards. There is just so many possibilities. I wanted to show you right here. These are stickers, so you can take those apart. I just thought there were so many different options in here as far as the pieces that come in here. I'm just going to go ahead and give you a quick look through the rest of these, but this was definitely something worth buying. This will last a really long time, and as you can see, there are so many different designs, tags, and whatnot that can go on signs. I'm super excited to use this one. This next item is a vintage scrapbooking paper set. Now, I ordered 4 of these because they're absolutely gorgeous. If you love anything vintage, these are definitely the ones for you. They were $1.60 each. They have 4 different patterns. I went ahead and did a little bit of an unboxing here for you for each of the boxes. I wanted to show you the beautiful patterns that they have in here. So there are 3 pieces of paper for each of the patterns, and they go with the color theme. So this one is more of a blue and cream color. There's an Easter one that is pink and cream colored. There is this one that is more of a Victorian style that is pink. And then I picked up a B one that is obviously yellow and more of a brown cream color. I think these are stunning. I can think of lots of projects that I cannot wait to make with these, but even if you weren't into like DIYing with them, I think that they would make super cute cards. You could just glue them to the front of a card. They're beautiful. I love the designs. This design pack was my absolute favorite. I love this fox. I think he is absolutely adorable. And when we get down here to the bottom, there are 2 other fox patterns. I think these are the cutest thing I think I have ever seen. I cannot wait to DIY with these cute little foxes. Let me know down in the comments what you think about these and what you might create with them. This next item that I picked up were some bundles of eucalyptus. They were $5. You get 3 bundles. They come in this little reusable bag. So if you want to use them and then like store them later, you could save this bag. I thought that these were absolutely stunning. They come in separate bundles, so you can have 1 bundle, 3. You could cut these apart and craft with them. I just wanted to show you what it looked like to just decorate with these as like a home decor piece. I put 1 in the vase, and then I went ahead and put all 3 in the vase. I think they're stunning, so even if you just want to decorate that with them, they add a nice, stunning, subtle piece for home decor. So the next couple items that I picked up were some paint markers. I picked up these white ones in a set of 2, and then I picked up this copper metallic color in a set of 1. They are a great price. You cannot find them at that price anywhere else that I know of. I just wanted to show you here what they looked like on this extra piece of cardboard that I had. They are a great quality and color. So I've been really dabbling within some watercolor painting, and I have this like watercolor journal that I've been working in, and one of the things that I notice people doing is using any kind of gel pens or paint markers after they have gone over their projects. So I created this really fun honeycomb project, and I'm using this white marker to give some highlights here. I think that it turned out stunning. I really love it, and I'm super excited to use these within my watercolor painting. Let me know what you guys use paint markers for down in the comments. The next item I picked up were these rubber stamps. They are books and they are totally adorable. I created a book journal this year and I thought that they would be a great addition to my book journal. Now I'm a little bit embarrassed to admit that I didn't have any clear blocks on hand. I thought that I did, but I must have got rid of them. But I did still want to show you guys what these look like and how cute they were. So I went ahead and just used my hands, but you're going to want a clear block for this. I think these are adorable and I can see all kinds of uses for these: bookmarks, cards, journals, bullet journals. I think they're adorable. I definitely recommend picking these up. So the next item I picked up was some Pampus Grass. It comes in 2 different varieties for the $5.98. This is absolutely stunning. Now I have wanted to use Pampus Grass for quite a while, but I don't have a lot of area in my home to decorate with really large Pampus Grass. So I really loved these. They are a smaller version. You get quite a few bundles here, so you could definitely craft with these. As you can see, they're a little messy. So when you open them up, you're going to want to kind of shake them out in an area that you can clean up. The first one that I opened is just a brown color. The next one was a mixture of textures and colors. Here they are separately. Here's the one bundle and then here is the brown bundle. I actually liked the brown bundle better. I thought it was absolutely stunning. I think this would make a great addition to any home decor. The next item that I picked up was this junk journaling kit. This was $10.28 and there are just so many things that come in this box. Now I've never created a junk journal, but I have wanted to for so long. This journal is absolutely adorable. It comes with lined paper inside and there are so many pages in here. It's absolutely gorgeous. So it comes with several of these little pieces alongside the journal. So you can get these cards. Some of them say sticky notes, even though they aren't actually sticky notes. It comes with these cute little admit one type papers that you could add to your journal. There are different papers and pockets that you can add. Absolutely adorable and definitely anything that you would need to get started in a junk journaling kit. Now this one I picked up was kind of more on a vintage look here, but they had other options as well. These vellum papers also are stickers, so you have lots of options here. It comes with paper and like different sizes of scrapbook paper. I just wanted to show you guys here that these do peel off. So like I said, they are stickers. It also come with these little pieces of scraps that you can put in there. Now these could also be for crafts as well. They would make great tags, or you could use this on any kind of DIY projects, but I thought this kit was absolutely worth the price. Definitely stunning graphics that go into the journal. Absolutely worth it. I can't wait to get started in this junk journal. So for this item, it is a very large floral stencil set. It's $11.48, but as you can see here in the Temu picture, it's absolutely stunning and large. I just wanted to show you guys here what you get. So you get a couple different leaf patterns. You also get a couple different stem patterns, so you can make them as long or short as possible. And then you get several different flower designs. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. I think it would make a great front porch sign if you want to DIY that. You could also just use the flower heads to make a design on a tray or any kind of like tabletop. I just think it's absolutely stunning. Here is the Temu picture again, but definitely worth trying out. This next item is a set of little stamps. These are absolutely adorable. They look like typewriter stamps. They're all lowercase letters. They come in this really adorable box, and the box is a wooden box. It has these little pieces in there that fit together, and then you have to just go ahead and take these stamps apart. Once I had them all apart, I went ahead and just put them back in alphabetical order. It was a really quick process, but these are absolutely adorable. I wanted to show you guys guys what you could do with them or just kind of what the font looks like. So I took this little card that I had and I just put some washi tape here just to give me kind of a line to go off of, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spell out hello. This is super adorable. I've always really loved the typewriter look. You just have to be a little careful with these because you can get ink on the outside, so when you're stamping, just be extra careful that you're only getting it on the letter. But here is what the font ends up looking like, and it's absolutely adorable. The next item I picked up was washi tape. It was $4.49 and you do get 10 rolls of the washi tape. There's not a ton on each roll, but it is a really cute pattern. So there are 5 of this top type pattern in different colors, and then there's 5 of this bottom pattern in different colors. I think it's adorable. I love using washi tape in my planner. Let me know how you guys like to use washi tape and if this is something that you would like to pick up. They also had several different options of washi tape on their website, so if this one is not for you, I definitely recommend checking out any kind of washi tape they have on the Temu app. This next item was some crafting embellishments. Now, this is a very large pack of like 365 items. Now, I wanted to show you guys, these are all vellum papers, so there is so many to choose from. I didn't want to go through each one of these because there just is so many, and we would be here all day. But I wanted to give you kind of a close-up of what they look like. These would definitely be cute in junk journaling. You could decoupage with these. They would make really good tags. You could use them for Christmas. I don't know. There are tons of things you could do with them. They're absolutely stunning. I can't wait to start using them. I just wanted to give you guys a quick view of these. Let me know down in the comment what you think you might use with these. This next item is a roll of PET tape. It's adhesive tape for sticker scrapbooking. I plan to use this in my journal, so I just wanted to show you guys these super beautiful patterns. Now, again, it is a roll of tape, but you could use some scissors to kind of cut in between there, or to just kind of get each individual piece. They are spaced far enough apart that you could definitely do that. I think this would also be beautiful on any kind of decor piece. You could also do wrapping with this. Now, I used my X-Acto knife here and I went through the paper because I cut too close to the paper. So definitely when you're using your X-Acto knife on this kind of paper, you're going to want to do that very, very lightly. But this is absolutely stunning, like pictures in this tape. They go for a little bit of each pattern, so it's sunflowers and then it turns to a different color. You could definitely cut in between and just use the girls, or you could just use the flowers, but they're absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to use these in my planner. I had so much fun with these Temu products. I hope that you found something you're interested in checking out. Don't forget to go down to the description box because I have a link to all the items that I have in this video. There's a link also to the website so that you can use my code and get that $100 bundle. I cannot wait for you to start crafting with Temu supplies, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!